Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily and in this video I'm going to show you how to decorate clear ball ornaments in 5 different ways. In the comments down below, let me know which ornament is your favorite and subscribe to see more DIYs. Let's get on with the video. The first ornament I'm going to show you how to make is this ribbon-filled ornament. All you have to do is to take a roll of ribbon that's any color and you want to put the ribbon through the whole of the ornament until you like how it looks. Once you like how it looks, you can cut off the ribbon you don't want, and then you can put the top back on. You can also tie a piece of ribbon or a piece of twine into a loop on the ornament, or you can use an ornament hook so you can hang the ornament. And that's how you make this really simple and cute ornament. The second ornament I'm going to show you how to make are these marbled ornaments. You want to take 2 or more colors of acrylic paint and you want to put paint into the ornament. Then you want to twist the ornament around until the ornament is completely covered. You can lightly tap the ornament with your hand to help the paint move. You want to alternate the colors and you only want to add enough paint to cover the ornament. Once the ornament is covered, you want to wipe off any paint that's on the outside of the ornament. Then you want to stick it upside down in a paper or a plastic cup for only a few minutes so the excess paint will come out. And then you want to flip the ornament so the opening of the ornament is facing up, and you want to allow it to dry overnight. You can also move the ornament every now and then because the paint is still wet and it will move while it's drying. When the paint is dry, you can put the top back on the ornament. And then you can tie a piece of twine or a piece of ribbon on the ornament, and then you're all done. I love how these ornaments came out. They're my favorites out of all of them. The third ornament I'm going to show you how to make is this glitter ornament. The first thing you want to do is that you want to tie a piece of ribbon, twine, or string into a loop onto the ornament. Or you can use an ornament hook, and this is because you're going to hang the ornament to dry. Now you want to brush on some Mod Podge onto the ornament. You can either cover the whole ornament or you can cover half of the ornament, like how I did. Then you can take some glitter and pour it onto the ornament. After you get the glitter on the ornament, you want to lightly tap the ornament to get rid of any excess glitter, and you want to hang it to dry. If you have any glitter where you don't want it to be, you can take a paintbrush and brush off the excess glitter. When the Mod Podge is dry, you're all done. I think mine turned out looking really pretty. The next ornament I'm going to show you how to make is this bead-filled ornament. All you have to do is to put beads of any color into the ornament. You can either put them into the ornament by hand or you can use a funnel, but you might have to push the beads to help them through the hole of the funnel. Once you got all the beads in the ornament, you can put the top back on, and then you can tie a piece of ribbon into a loop onto the ornament, and then you're all done. I love how this ornament looks, and I love how simple it is. The last ornament I'm going to show you how to make are these jeweled ornaments. You want to take 1 or more colors of acrylic paint, and you want to put paint into the ornament. Then you want to twist the ornament around until the ornament is covered. Once the ornament is covered, you want to put it upside down in a paper cup so the excess paint comes out. And then you want to put it right side up and wait for it to dry. When the paint is dry, you can put the top back on the ornament. And then you can tie a piece of ribbon or a piece of twine onto it. Then you want to take a paintbrush or a pencil, and you want to put a dot of Mod Podge where you want the jewels to go. And then you can stick the jewel on the dot of the Mod Podge. You want to do this for the rest of the jewels. Once you got all the jewels on the ornament, you can hang it to dry. And when the ornament is dry, you're all done. And that's how you make these ornaments. In the comments down below, let me know which ornament is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!